Good evening, I am Garima. This is Jago Himachal 365 TV. डर के नहीं डट के, and you're watching Hillcoast News Channel. Let's start today's headline. Himachal Congress leader Birbhadra Singh beats COVID twice in 2 months. 2 killed, 1 injured in car accident in Mandi. CM Jairam Thakur lead Yoga Day celebration in Himachal, Shimla. Desolation of Khajjar Lake begin. In second wave, Una fatality sees 5-time jump. AAP's Punjab CM face to be from Sikh community, says Kejriwal. SC tells CBSE ICSE to respond by tomorrow as parents, students flag concern over class 12 evaluation formula. Reunite with BJP Sena MLA under ED lens, tells Uddhav. Center to increase pace of COVID vaccination in July-August, Amit Shah. Facebook, WhatsApp urge HC to stay CCI notice in privacy policy matter. Now news in detail. Himachal Congress leader Birbhadra Singh beats COVID twice in 2 months. Himachal Congress leader Birbhadra Singh has beaten COVID twice in 2 months. He had tested positive on June 11, 2 months after he had tested positive for the first time in April and was shifted to the COVID ward at the Indira Gandhi Medical College and Hospital here. He is assumed negative and has been moved out the COVID ward into a special ward, said IGMC Medical Superintendent Dr. Janak Raj. 2 killed, 1 injured in car accident in Mandi. 2 men were killed while another was critically injured after their car fell into a deep gorge in Mandi district on Sunday night. The deceased were identified as Umesh Kumar 25 and Dinesh Kumar 28, both natives of Salyan village in the district. According to the police, the victims were travelling to Salyan village from Rivalsar in a car when the driver lost control over the vehicle at Durgapur. As a result, the vehicle fell into a deep gorge in the area. CM Jairam Thakur leads Yoga Day celebration in Himachal, Shimla. As India is celebrating the 7th International Day of Yoga, residents, bureaucrats and ministers across Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh and Mohali performed yoga to mark the occasion on Monday. In Himachal Pradesh, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, State Minister and resident gathered to perform yoga in Shimla. In Chandigarh, people performed yoga at a green belt in Sector 38 West, Chandigarh to celebrate International Yoga Day. Government officials gathered over a video conference to mark International Yoga Day in Mohali. In Haryana's Gurgaon, residents participated in the International Yoga Day organized by the district. International Yoga Day organized by the district administration at Tau Devi Lal Stadium. Desolation of Khajjar Lake began. Based on the technical advice from Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun, the Forest Department has finally begun work on destilling the picture Khajjar Lake in Chamba district, already reduced to 1/4 of its original size. The Council for Science, Environment and Technology has sanctioned ₹48 lakh for the task, but owning the technicalities and the fact that it is an ecological fragile areas, and the wildlife wing of the forest department has decided to treat very cautiously even if it meant delay in execution of the work. The lake ecosystem has been threatened due to the rapid anthropogenic alterations and was losing its water spread area. Weed infestation, faulty flushing mechanism, indiscriminate grazing and subsequent soil erosion have contributed to the problem. In second wave, Una fatalities see 5-time jump. The district has witnessed total of 238 deaths due to COVID till date. As per data, the second wave of the pandemic, which began in February this year, has been 4.7 times more fatal than the first one in the district. As many as 146 persons who succumbed to the infection were in the 60+ age group, and those were comorbidities accounted for 75% of the casualties. Sources said, apart from 238 deaths, 2 patients died within a short period of having recovered. However, these deaths had been mentioned as non-COVID fatalities. As per the District Health Department, 42 deaths were reported in the first wave, August 2, September 10, October 3, November 9, December 13 and January 2021 5. In February this year, which marked the beginning of the second wave, 2 deaths were reported. However, 14 deaths were recorded in March, April 51 and May 113. At least 16 persons have succumbed to the infections this month. Till now, April and May together account for 69% of the total deaths. AAP's Punjab CM face to be from Sikh community, says Kejriwal. Aam Aadmi Party convener and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Monday said discussions were on within the party for choosing the right candidate as the CM face, but he could say for sure that entire Punjab would be proud of their choice. I can for sure tell you that the member of the Sikh community will be our CM face. This is the only state which has a Sikh CM, and we will ensure that even our CM face is from the community. Punjab needs a leadership for which we are holding discussions within the party, he said. Asked if I disgruntled Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu was joining AAP, Kejriwal said Sidhu was with the Congress and he respected him. I believe such loose talk shouldn't be done with respect to Sidhu, he said. SC tells CBSE ICSE to respond by tomorrow as parent-student flag concern over Class 12 evaluation formula. The Supreme Court on Monday asked CBSE and ICSE to respond by Tuesday to concern raised by some students and parents on the scheme of the board formulated to evaluated Class 12 student whose examination was cancelled due to the COVID pandemic. A parents' association and student flagged several concerns with regard to the CBSE and ICSE schemes for evaluation for Class 12 results and said that many clauses are arbitrary and would be detrimental to future prospects of the students. A special bench of Justice A.M. Khanwilkar and Dinesh Maheshwari said that it would hear the response of counsels for CBSE and ICSE on Tuesday on the concern raised by interveners. Reunite with BJP Sena MLA under ED lens, tells Uddhav. Shiv Sena MLA Pratap Sarnik, who is under the Enforcement Directorate scanner for alleged money laundering, has written a letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, appealing to him to reconcile with the BJP before it is too late. In the letter dated June 10, Sarnik said even though the alliance with the BJP had broken personal and harmonious relations between leaders of the Yuti, Shiv Sena BJP remained. It is better to reconcile before it is too late, the MLA said in the letter in November last year. The ED raided premises linked to Sarnik in Maharashtra in connection with the money laundering case began propped against the security service provider company and others. Center to increase pace of COVID vaccination in July-August, Amit Shah. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Monday said the central government has decided to increase the pace of vaccination against COVID-19 in July and August. Taking to reporters after visiting a vaccination center here, Shah said with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's decision to provide a free vaccination against COVID-19 to people aged 18 and above, we will fast achieve to the goal to inoculation almost everyone. The central government has decided to increase the pace of vaccination in July and August, he added. HC to stay CCI notice in privacy policy matter. Facebook and WhatsApp on Monday urged the Delhi High Court to stay the Competition Commission of India notice asking them to furnish certain information concerning probe ordered by into the instant messaging app. New privacy policy. A vacation bench of Justice Anup Jairam and Jasmeet Singh said it will pass an order on the application. During the hearing, the bench said since it was sitting on a vacation bench, it didn't want to delve into the merits of the matter even as the main petition are pending before a bench headed by the Chief Justice. Thank you and stay connected with Hillquist.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquist News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquist News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.